Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to use Glassdoor to find and apply for jobs. First, open Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Glassdoor and open the official website. Log in or create an account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see several options. Click on Jobs. In the search bar, type the job title you're looking for and enter your location. You'll now see a list of job openings. Click on Easy Apply for the job you want. Enter your first name, last name, and phone number, then click Continue. Next, provide your postcode and city, and click Continue again. That's it. Your job application on Glassdoor is successfully submitted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.